Hey, what's going on everybody? Anushka Sheffy here, and in this video I have something pretty cool for you. I'm going to go behind the scenes of my business and show you exactly how much profit we're making on specific sales. Okay, so a lot of people ask me, hey, how much money can you make with dropshipping? What are the profit percentages? And in this video I wanted to cover exactly that. All right, so I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look at what I call the sales tracking spreadsheet. Okay, in your business, with your dropshipping business, you're going to want to keep track of your orders. Okay, so when the orders come into your store, you go and you purchase the product from your supplier, and after that time you're going to want to track that order. Okay, with information that you can see here. It doesn't take that long because a lot of this is auto-populated. What we're pretty much putting in, we're telling this the tracking template, the Excel spreadsheet, is the cost of our items, how many items there are, so that we can get a nice clear idea of exactly how much we make. Okay, so this is something I highly suggest. I did cover this in the last video that I talked about, that if you are running a dropshipping business, you should be tracking your orders, because it makes it very easy for a number of reasons. I'm not a tax attorney, but or anything like that. You should probably, disclaimer, go talk to a professional, but you can, it can keep tabs of your taxes. It can help you keep track of orders that need to be returned. So for example, if somebody comes to you in 15 days down the road, how do you know what order you need to return? Okay, and this is one of the key systems behind the whole business, right? So you can come in here, you can check for the order number, right? That's one of the things that we track. You can check for the customer's name in here. There's a lot of information that can keep you on top of your business and keep everything very, very clear. Not only that, it's very cool to see your profits calculated in real time. Okay, so this thing will actually take the net profit column and put it into a total profit column. I didn't share that here, but that is what's happening, right? So we punch in a few calculations, some of which I have highlighted and we're going to cover. But you punch in a few calculations, your total profits are all there, your cost of your goods, everything that is going on in your business is right here in this tracking template. Okay, so that's what's going on, that's what we're talking about. But what I wanted to show you was behind the scenes exactly how much money you can make with your business. Okay, what kind of profits am I doing, and what's the average profit margin? So we can see here that on December 1st, this first order, I'm just going to go through these pretty much step by step, and we have I have taken out the product name. I'm not giving up my products, guys. Sorry. I can teach you how to find products, but I'm not going to do the heavy lifting for you, okay? So here's some of the products that we can list, right? So we have a product cost here. What is the product cost? It's $12.44. That is the cost to us, okay? And we have one unit, which gives us a total cost of $12.44. That's our COG column, our cost of goods, okay? So $12.44, that's what it cost me when I went to purchase the product for the customer. Okay, so imagine they buy it from my Amazon store. I see the order come in. Now it's my job to go purchase it from the supplier. I went and purchased it for $12.44. Well, my team did that for me, but $12.44 was the cost of the goods. Now, what is the sale price? That is what we sold it for plus the shipping on Amazon. So we sold it for $22.47. We bought it for $12.44, giving us a gross profit, as you can see here, $10.03. That is gross because Amazon takes 15%, which is this column, $3.37. And then we have some other costs here, which leaves us with the $6 or 67 cents. So we spent a $12.44 on a product, and we ended up making 67 cents net profit before any other additional streams like the cashback that I talk about, etc., cards, all that good stuff. But so 67 cents and $12.44. Pretty slim profit margin there, okay? I'm not trying to hide that some of these profit margins will be a little bit lower than you would like, right? And you don't have to, when you're starting out, you're running your business yourself, you don't have to limit yourself to like $1 per sale or less than $1. You can set your own criteria, but for me, since I have my business automated and my team runs this for me, I don't mind making less than $1, okay? Because I don't have to process the orders. But for you, maybe you want to set it at, let's say, $5 minimum profit, okay? In this case, maybe you wouldn't have made this sale, but in my case, to grow a massive business that does multiple 5 figures a month, I'm okay with making $1. Yes, it's less than 10%. I think 10% would be about $1.24. Okay, so we're making about what, like 5, maybe 6% before cashback. Not very huge, and not optimal. But hey, it's still profit, and I didn't have to do any work to make that money. My team processed that order. Okay, so that's the power of outsourcing. Now, the next thing here, guys, is we see $15.88. Again, the cost to us when we purchase it from our supplier, and we sold it for $26.84. leaving us after Amazon's fees with 94 cents. Okay, so again, we are less than 10%. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not trying to hide the fact that some of the margins on dropshipping are slim. You have the complete control over your business, and you can say, I don't want to list something like that. Okay, that's your business, you can do that. But for me, I said, okay, that's totally fine. We can go under $1. But what you can see here is something cool comes up in the next sale. As you see, the product cost is $6.86. But over here in the cost of goods column, we have sold 4 of them, okay, and $27.44 was the total cost of goods. Now, here's where it gets cool. We sold that stuff for $65.60. Okay, so somebody purchased 4 units from our store. Now, the cool part about when somebody purchases multiple units from your dropshipping store, if you go through the suppliers that I suggest, is that when you're only going to get charged shipping on one of those items. Okay, so you've included shipping in the cost of your item on Amazon with each unit. Okay, you have to account for that. So you've included that, but you're only getting charged at your supplier one time, the $5.99 for the shipping. Okay, even if you bought 10 units, $5.99 for shipping, not $59.99. Okay, so there is huge potential for profit margins. As you can see, the profit has shot up on this order from spending $27.44 to $20. Okay, so we spent $27, we made $20. It's nearly, like, I'm gonna just guess, throw it out there. I'm by no means a mathematician. I really suck at math. I barely graduated high school. But anyway, that's a different story. Point is, we're damn near close to 90%. I won't say 100% because we have like $7 left here we need to make up. But still, guys, this is awesome profit, wouldn't you say? To be able to list something and immediately start selling it and make close to 90, 80, 90%, 100% profit is massive. Okay, and the trick to that, why that happened, was the shipping. Okay, we charge for shipping on each unit, but we got charged shipping on only 1 unit. Okay, $5.99, as you can see in the shipping column. And that's why these tracking templates are so cool, because you can see very clearly what's going on with your business down to the pennies. All right, so down here, $35.44 is our product cost, and we sold 1 of them, so that leaves us with the cost of goods of $35.44. Pretty obvious, but we sold it for $65.88. Okay, so the cost, gross profit, $30, leaving us, after Amazon takes nearly $10 on that one order, with $20 in our pocket. Okay, so we spent $35.44 and we brought in $20. So imagine you spend 35, you make 20 back. This is awesome profit margins. Okay, so it does fluctuate between different products, between how many units you sell, between even seasonally, right? Some products I've noticed last season when I was selling toys and games, man, it was crazy how many toys and games during the holiday seasons you sell. But the point is not that, it's how much more expensive some of these toys can be during the holiday season. So these numbers can fluctuate based on a number of variables, but the cool part is that the profit margins can be awesome. I've made 128% profit on one product, and the guy purchased multiple units. On that order, I ended up making hundreds of dollars, just one single order. So this stuff can really add up. And when you're doing 3,000, 4,000 orders and it's completely automated, it becomes extremely powerful, guys. So I'll just continue on randomly here. Let me grab an ugly one, okay? I don't want to make it seem like unicorns are just shitting rainbows over here, guys. There is obstacles in this business. There are lower profit margins than some people would like or assume. Okay, so let's go down to this 1588 here, guys. We have 1588. And we can see that there was 1 unit purchased, 1588. The person purchased it for $26.25. Amazon's going to immediately take $4, and that left us after the shipping cost with 44 cents. Ouch. Okay, so not even like 30. That's like what? That's like 30%. Okay, so extremely. Not 30%, excuse me, 3%. That is like 3%, extremely low margins. That is something that I tend to, I'd like to avoid. But sometimes, you know what, 44 cents is 44 cents. It adds up and it'll go right into our profit margins. So, the other cool part about that low profit margin is, yes, we only made 44 cents on the front, but if you watch my other videos on my channel, I talk about cashback opportunities and ways to increase your margins, and maybe we made another 25 cents on that. So it's not as bad as it seems. There's 3% here, which is extremely low, but maybe we made a couple more percent on the cashback opportunities. Okay, you can check out my other videos on that to see how you can do that and how you can make thousands of dollars with cashback. And I'm always trying to do more content for you guys. If you like this content, go ahead, subscribe, like, share, whatever you got to do. But please subscribe and let me know in the comments what kind of content you're looking forward to, because I'm out here trying to create content and help you grow an awesome business. And I really appreciate if you could help me by letting me know what kind of content you need so you can be successful with this. All right, guys? So leave that in the comments. Anyway, so here we are, guys, back at the tracking template, right? And I'll just pick off one more orders here randomly. We have this $24.99. So the person purchased 3 units of whatever it was. I honestly don't know because I deleted the product name, but it's 3 units, $24.99. So the cost is about $74.97, right? And the person purchased, I can't say person purchased. I guess try saying that 5 times fast or something. But person purchased 3 units, and it for $111.48 from our Amazon store. All right, so Amazon takes their cut, leaving us with $19.79. All right, so $20 profit. What did we spend here? We spent $74. So we're talking about a 30, maybe less than 30%, 25% with cashback. It's going to spike up a lot, but we're at about 25%. So, people say all the time, what kind of profit margins are you making with your business? It ranges massively across the products that I sell. But that said, on average, we're doing about 15% profit per month, and that's net profit before cashback or other opportunities. Okay, this month it's up a little bit higher. I believe that's because of the Christmas season, but that's kind of the profit margins. Can it go lower? Heck yeah, I've had months where we do 12%. Okay, can it go higher? Yes. Right now, this month, we're doing more than 15%, which is kind of our average. So that's the profit margins. Can you do a lot more profit margin? When I started this business, when I was running it myself, when I was doing a little bit smaller numbers, like $30,000 a month in sales, $40,000 a month in sales, my profit margins were higher, to be totally honest. I was probably making 25% when I was running it myself. But as you start adding more products to your store, you start growing the volume, the profit margins tend to go down a little bit. Okay, and that's what happened for me, at least. So that's what I can speak on from my experience. So yes, guys, how much profit margin can you make? Is it worth doing? Hell yeah. You can make tens of thousands of dollars profit in your pocket every single month. Will some of the profit margins be potentially a little lower than you would like? Yes, but the good news is it's your business. You don't have to list that product. So go ahead and just move on to the next one, right? Continue listing products that make you a profit margin that you're happy with, and keep those items selling over and over. I can tell you a lot of the products that you see on my tracking template, or even some of these specific orders, they're probably resells of the same exact product over and over, okay? And that is the power of dropshipping. By being able to resell over and over products that make you $20, $40, $60 profit in a single day or on a single sale, this is how you can grow a massively powerful business that works for you around the clock, instead of you slaving 9 to 5 working to make your bosses rich, okay? And that's the truth, guys. If you enjoyed this content, I really, really hope you did. And if you did, like it. Let me know that you liked it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be pumping out content for you guys. I want to help you skyrocket your success online and with dropshipping with Amazon. I'm doing eBay. I'm going to get into FBA a little bit. So next year, 2018 is dedicated to, I have my Amazon business at over 200K a month. I want to get that, and that's sales, not profit, guys. I always like to be open, honest, and transparent with everything I do. That is not profit by any means. But we have that Amazon thing. So 2018 is dedicated to getting eBay up to $100,000 in sales, and I would ultimately like to get my FBA store up and running. I'll do another video. I was going to do it today, but my whiteboard isn't all set up. I'm getting all my stuff set up for my YouTube channel to do some awesome videos for you guys. But I was going to do a video on how I lost $5,000 with my FBA business. So stick around for that. I'm going to reveal some golden nuggets. So if you do get into FBA yourself, I'm getting back into it, but some tips for you guys. So there's going to be a lot of cool stuff. Stick around, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.